Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will create a report on AIMS report, which is basically All India Institute of Medical Science. So how many hospitals they have performed, how many intakes and everything. So like here we have report. So we have created it from Wikipedia. This report is very useful for common peoples, like if they want to know how many AIMS we have. Like announced is one, classified, which I have started or partially started, or functional, all these are 19. One is proposed and under construction are 4. So this is the report. So these are the area we have, and these are the state where we can find it. So this report can be used for suppliers of your medical equipments, or even from the public, and for others like vendors, they can use it. So like how is this report look like? You can see this is our India, and now we have here, like this is our states, Jammu, Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and all, where we have all this. So it will show this. So let's see and create it one by one, and it is created through data and from other helps from YouTube. So just stay tuned with us. So first thing what we need to do, we need to go to the Wikipedia website, where we have to type in Google Wikipedia AIMS and get this link where we have all the information relating to our AIMS. So I just go above this and copy the link, Ctrl C, and then I will open my this Power BI desktop, and then I will go to get, and from web I go there in web and copy this URL and OK. Now it will take some time to load, so we have to wait for some few seconds to load this data. Now we have to find out which file we should keep. So like these are the files here. So AIMS and location file, where we have all the information, but if you will go to other files, we don't have the complete information. So this also have, like if you will go to table 2, that also contain information, column 3, column 10, but we don't have a heading here. So I just go to this file only, hit this one, second one. So it contain all the information, AIMS and location, city, town, state, interactive, and I will transform data because we have to clean this data now. So now we are in our Power Query, and in Power Query we will clean this data. So first we will check the validation, and then what I need to do, I will go to here in this report, announced, and in announced I will go to transform, and from transform split I will go to by delimiter, and we have to remove this bracket signs here. So custom, we will keep the custom, put it here, this bracket sign, and leftmost delimiter, and press OK. So now we will remove this. So we have announced, and we have 2 announced here, 2 announced, 3 announced. I think first one will do our second we don't need, so we will just delete this, remove, and third is not there, so that's okay. Now next is our established, so I just change its name also. I will put it just announced. I just removed the one from here, so this is announced. Then I will go to established. So here we also have this bracket somewhere, this bracket. So what I will do, I will just click over this, then I will go to transform split by delimiter, and again I will put here bracket, and then leftmost delimiter, and press OK. So this will also be removed, and then I will check the next one, what is thing there. So it have only 60% empty, purchase 20. So I just remove this one also, we don't need this also, remove. Okay, now I will just double click, enter. So this is established now. So we have cities here, some errors here, like we have some blank here. States also, which is okay. Phases, that is there, in which phase they have status, functional, personal. Here we also have these brackets. So I go to here, I will just click over this by delimiter, and to left this time I will put again custom. Actually it's taking your comma also here. Status is okay, so I will take here again bracket and press OK. We just check it's not yet done. We have to done here in status. In status, and then I will go here again by delimiter, bracket open, and left delimiter and press OK. So now we have removed our delimiter from here. Next is our status 2, so we don't need this. We will remove this also. Remove, maybe your data might be of some other type, but now here is where 125 plus 1, so I will replace this value to, this is the only one value, so I will replace it to 132. Okay, so this is here. Then NAF ranking, so we will leave this way only. Then I will go to home and close and apply. So we have data already installed with us, so it will take few seconds, then it will be installed. Creating connection with models, so that will take few seconds, and then we will make some report in this. So it's okay here. Right, so now we will go to our data again and see what our data is with us. We have establishment, like we have 2 establishment I still have, so I will just check. Establishment 2 is not required, so I will just remove this again. We don't need this. Right click, and then I will go to delete column, yes. And from this name I will just remove this number. We don't need this number again. Enter. And from ranking also, so that it will look nice. UT, city, town, establishment, we have this number point, so I will just remove this also. If you don't have, you don't need to do that. So this is our data. Now we will write some column, like in which year we have all these form, like announced is on this date, established in this. So we will take in 25 years how many of our aims have been built. So I will go here home or wherever, like from tool table I will create a new column, and in this new column we will give in 25 years. So I will say if, and open this bracket, and we have to say in establishment, like we will use this establishment report. One thing I will do again, so now we change this name. Now we will go to our in 25 years, and I will write some function here, like I will write here aims, aims table. We will put like aim establishment. If aims establishment is less than, first condition I will write if less than 1975. So I will put, because it starts from 1952, so I will put here, I will write the first 25 years, and then I will close this. Next again I will write if, again aims establishment, I will take establishment is less than 2000. I will type here second, 25 years, and last I will type if aims. We have to see where is the problem. I think we have not double close it. I will just increase this size so it will be more clearer what I am writing now. Then I will write like 25 is second instance, and then I will write if last one aims establishment is less than year 2023. I will put, then I will type third 25 years and just close this and just press the enter and see like where is the problem. So we have created our tax function here, like in first year what we have, in second what we have. So this give us ready, like we don't have anything in second. So years between, like if you will increase it, so from 2000 to 75 to 2000 we don't have any establishment here, but after 2000 we have some. So let's see like how we will create this report. And beside that I also create one more. I will create one more function, because what I need here is our establishment and time, like what will be the time, like we have established and announced. So what will be the time gap between establishment and announce? So for that I will create another new column. So I will go to table and create a new column here again and give it a name time. So I will put time here, and here I will put if. Again I will get my function. So there are some blanks, so I will put some blank also, is blank function also, because some of the values are blank in our establishment. So like its error is blank, and I will take the establishment comma 0. So first of all I will put the blank, then I will take your aims. First of all I will take establishment and then less your aims, then I will take announced and just click over this. So see that we have create a time or not. I think there is some problem, so we have to take establishment and time minus aims time. I just put this here, aims establishment, and then I just remove this from here, and then I just remove this, and less aims announced, and check. We still have error. We check the error, so I will just check my last one what I created here. Aims report there. So this is our report in the last. So where is the error? I just find it. Established is the same thing we have done here, but still it's showing problem, so we have to check it to go comma 0. Okay, one problem is there. What I need to do is we have to close this here, and then we don't need other things like this, and again we will write this aims established less aims announced. So now we will have an answer. We don't close it here, so we have to close it once, and it's working. So now we have a time also. Now we will go to our table, our reports, and now we will start creating reports here. So first of all what we will need to close, we will take this multi-row card, and in this multi-row card what I will take, I will take our this status, and if I will put this status here, I will just refresh it and put status in the field. Now we have a status here, but we have to group them, and then I will take number here, And now what I need to do, I will just go to this status and just group this. So I will go to group, from here new group, and we will create a group. And to create a group, we will create a group of your started, functional or partially functional. So I will just press shift, I will put started, functional, partially functional, others are not, and group them. So now we have a group from them and others will be shown in other tables. So I just remove this status now here, and I will now take this status group, remove this and take this status group, and beside that I will take numbers, and in number I will right click and count. And now we have this report here. We have announced count of number is written there, but we have to remove this. So I will go there and call out values. We will bold this and increase its size. But category label, we don't need this category label, which is not required in journal. Title we don't require, but effects I will see other things also. Label is not there. Call out values, okay. Card we will see, okay. We will increase the size of card here, so I will put it 22. So that's look better. So we have a report of first one where we have announced, classified, proposed and under construction. Next thing is like we have to put the logo. So I will go to, like we will do that later, but before we will create another thing. We will create table also. So I will take this cluster column chart, and from here I will have here 25 years. In 25 years I will take here, and beside that I will take your name. In 25 years and name. So like we have this, and we taken is count. So like we have only 25 years, like in first phase we have 6 in first 25 years, and now in the third phase we have 19. So this is the report which we have. So like if you will go here from the table, announce cast, so it will show us the complete table. So what we have total, and if you will click over this, it will show where we have proposed, where we have announced. So these are the things. Now this is things, first thing is first. Now next thing is like we have to create a table also here. So we will create a table. So I will just click over this, go outside, click on table, and now we will create a table also. I will just increase the size of the canvas. I go there, canvas setting, and from here I will take custom. You can do it in the beginning also. I will take it 1200, and here I will take 1800, so it will look more bigger and we can have more values here. Okay, so now here I will take some more things like name. First of all I will take name, and then I will take your established, sorry, I will just click over this. It is not click here, so I will click over this. First of all name, then established here, then I will take announced, and the measure which we have created time here, and I will also take the measure which we have created time, and from time I will take count and just increase its size and go to the format value. So I will just increase this value to 22. So that's good, that's look better. I will put it here, I will put it here. So you can do it yourself, whatever you like. So count, it will showing the number of counts of each one, and then okay, I will click over this, sorry, visualization, put this, click now. Okay, count of time is not there, so we have to take sum of count. So it will give us sum of count, like how much time it takes. And now I will go over this sum of count from here, where is this sum of count, time, in timetable, and go to our conditional formatting from here. So we need to find out the conditional formatting. Either I will go here, sum of count here, and from here I will go conditional formatting, and from bar, data bar, and press OK. So now we have a data bar in our, like whatever time is taken to complete this project. So this is the report here which we are making. Other things you can do, I am not doing formatting here. Formatting you can do, more formatting you will do with that. Next thing is, like, we will create a our this much we will put like state wise, what is where we have how many numbers of our like location wise, how many numbers of aims we have. So I will just put it in the status, this UT. So state UT, I will put the location here. Now we have a chart of India where we have locations. Next, in our bubble size, I will put numbers. I will put numbers here. So it is showing count. So, but we need count, not sum. We need a count of that. So I will put on count. So now we have number of places, like according to places, how many numbers of aims we have. So this is a bit of report which we can create here. It will look better. You can do more formatting and make it more clear. Beside that, we will put some title here. So I will go to insert text box, and I will just write it to 36 and write here in capital. Just increase the size. Aim report on establishment and proposed. So this way we are creating it, and just increase the size here and put it up, and then I will just make it more bold. I will go to home and just bold it. It is already bold, so I will go to effect, background color. I will take this and I select this and take the color white and bold it and put it in the center. And beside that, what I will do, I will put a logo. I have already downloaded it. You can download it. I will go to insert image. From my desktop, I will take my logo. So this is the logo of your aims. I put it here. Now we have a better report here in which we can be helpful in knowing the number of aim, the establishments, and I will go this report, and you can do more, like making it more bold and do formatting with this. Like I will put 22 here. Now it's good. Bold it so we can see this also. Title we don't need. I will just remove the title, and then y-axis I will go values. I will just increase it and bold it. Title, show me title. If you need title, you can put it, and if you don't need it, you can just remove a title. In journal I go, and in title I will put some heading. In 25 years report, and just bold it and just increase this size to 22 and center it. So what is the report in 25 years? So whatever you like to put in there, you can do that, and editing you can do it by yourself. So this way we have created a report, like where we have some information about the aims establishment in India and how many are proposed, and we can see the report. If we click over this, it will give report according to that also. And what I can do is, like, we can even put a card also here so that we have or more information. Like if I will put a card here, sorry, I will put a card somewhere. I will click outside and put a card, and in this card I will put names, and here I will say count districts. So we have 25 counts here, and we can put it here, and we will give some name here, name, numbers I will put numbers of AIMS. So this give us some information here also. 25 is there in India, which include your proposed, announced and working, so which we have here also, and this is in the card also. And other thing you can do with this. Thank you very much for watching.